welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today we are doing a stitch fix, and I specifically asked for a stitch fix filled with dresses so I could pick one for Valentine's Day, or, you know, that's just an excuse. I wanted a dress in red, pink, or purple. So we will get into that, but just real quick, Stitch Fix is a styling service. There'll be a playlist down below with more in-depth detail of what Stitch Fix is. I don't know. That doesn't sound quite right, but you get the point. I am in my bedroom again today, just because, again, it's easier to do clothing in here for right now. You get 5 pieces, you get a stylist, you get a profile, you get to speak with a stylist, leave notes, blah, 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 blah. Currently, I do have a sign-up link that will get you $50 toward your first fix if you want to use that. That'll be linked down below. You get $50, I get $50. It's a win-win. I'm also pretty sure that you don't get charged a styling fee for your first box. So you get the $20 plus the $50. Let's get into Stitch Fix. There's a playlist down below, and there are other videos, if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, that goes into more depth of what it is, but I'm not going to do that today because I want to get it done. So you get 5 pieces of whatever it is that you want. You can get clothing, there are accessories, there are shoes, work clothes, school clothes, because they have them for all ages. Work clothes, school clothes, date night clothes, blah, blah, blah. You get a bag, shipping, return label, whatever you don't keep, just throw in the bag, put it in the mail, check out online. You also get an invoice. I will put a picture of this up on the screen. If you keep all 5 items, you do get a 25% discount, so that is a perk. You also get a styling card. It just tells you or shows you different ways that you can style the outfits that are in your fix. And a note. I will put that up in the corner for you. Let's get into this. First, we have the Cosmo Textured Knit Dress by Wisp in a burgundy and a size 4 for $84. And we also have the Chris Suede Heel by Mark Fisher Footwear in a burgundy, size 7.5 for $79. I love the color of this dress. I do love the detail of this dress, but it's just a little too buttoned up for me, a little too stuffy for me. I do typically like this shape of a dress. I just like lower necks, and I am also not a fan of the 3/4 sleeve. That is not my jam. These shoes are cute. I don't know if they're really my style. I will throw them in the maybe pile and consider them. They are really comfortable, but the heel is just a little bit shorter than I typically prefer. They are a really pretty burgundy though. Next, we have the Emma Knit Dress by Leota in a dark purple and a size small for $88. I think that this is really, really cute. I am not 100% sure that I am digging the geometric shapes. I do really like the neckline, and I like the sleeves in this. I do love the colors, the dark burgundies and the pinks and the purples. I'm just not entirely sure about the geometric pattern on it. I don't know if that's my thing, but this will go in the maybe pile. Next, we have the Carrie's Ruffle Detail Lace by Karl Lagerfeld, Paris, in burgundy in a size 4 for $108. I am not 100% sure how I feel about this dress. Typically, I don't like florals. Typically, I don't like 3/4 sleeves, but I don't know. I'm kind of digging this. I love the way it fits. The floral pattern isn't really turning me off like a typical floral pattern would. And I do love how the sleeves billow out, so it's not so bothersome that it's a 3/4 sleeve because it's not hugging my arms. So I guess it's either not as noticeable to me that it's a 3/4 sleeve, or it's just more a comfortable 3/4 sleeve for me. But I don't know. I kind of wish that the neckline was a little lower cut on this, just because I'm not sure how I feel about it. I don't know if this dress ages me at all, if it makes me appear my age or older than my age, which is definitely not a goal that I'm going for. I don't know. This dress will go in the maybe pile, and I will get the husband's opinion on it. So the last thing we have is a Pure Genius sheer lace top by Lulu's in black in a size small for $49. I actually really do like this top. I love the lace detailing. I just think it's a very unique top. And I don't know, I think the fit could be a little bit better on this. Because of the lace material, there's not a lot of stretch, so I think I will have to size up to a medium in this. So I will see if that's available when I go to check out. But this shirt, if they have it in a medium, is a maybe for me. Alright you guys, so that was Stitch Fix. Overall, I think the fix was okay. There are a couple of things that are going in the maybe pile. If I decide to get them, I will put pictures up in the corners so that way you can see what I kept. If there's nothing up in the corners when the video actually goes up, then you know that I didn't keep anything. But I mean, overall, I thought that this was a decent fix. I didn't think it was a bad fix by any means. I would say that it was probably maybe 50% my style. I don't know, just some of the prints I'm not really sure about, but I mean, you know, I'm not mad at this fix. I just, I don't know. If I keep anything, you'll see it up in the corners. Don't forget, there is a $50 link down below, or well, rather, a link where you can get $50 towards your first fix. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Bye.